Did you know that many natural remedies are just as effective as over-the-counter medications? It's true. In fact, many people are turning to these natural solutions for their everyday health concerns. This may come as a surprise, but nature provides powerful solutions to many health concerns. From the leaves of a plant to the roots of a tree, nature's pharmacy is vast and varied. Cough and cold remedies are a great example. Instead of reaching for a bottle of commercial cough syrup, many are discovering the benefits of herbal teas and syrups made from natural ingredients. For centuries, people have relied on natural ingredients to soothe their throats and quiet their coughs. These time-honored traditions have been passed down through generations, proving their effectiveness time and again. These remedies offer gentle and effective relief without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Families have cherished these recipes, often keeping them as closely guarded secrets. While modern medicine has brought incredible advancements, there's a growing movement towards natural alternatives. People are becoming more aware of what they put into their bodies and are seeking out natural, holistic options. Practices like meditation, yoga, and holistic therapies are becoming more popular as people look for ways to improve their well-being naturally. This includes turning to time-tested natural remedies like the powerful combination of lemon and honey. This simple mixture can soothe a sore throat, boost the immune system, and provide a comforting, warm drink on a cold day. The beauty of natural remedies lies in their simplicity and accessibility. Many of these ingredients can be found in your kitchen or garden, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. As more people share their knowledge and experiences, the awareness and appreciation for natural remedies continue to grow. Workshops, books, and online communities are great resources for learning more about these powerful alternatives. Embracing natural remedies is not just about treating ailments. It's about adopting a lifestyle that values the healing power of nature. It's about finding balance and harmony in our lives and reconnecting with the world around us. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural remedies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button and join our community for more tips and insights on living a healthier, natural lifestyle. When it comes to coughs, a simple mix of lemon and honey can be surprisingly effective. This age-old remedy has been cherished for its simplicity and effectiveness. The combination of these two natural ingredients creates a soothing elixir that can ease the discomfort of a sore throat and reduce the frequency of coughing. This natural concoction has been a household staple for generations, offering relief from the scratchy discomfort of a sore throat and the persistent urge to cough. Grandmothers around the world have sworn by this remedy, passing it down through the ages as a trusted solution for minor respiratory ailments. Both lemon and honey possess unique properties that, when combined, create a potent remedy that can help you feel better faster. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps fight off infections. Honey, on the other hand, has natural antibacterial properties and acts as a soothing agent, coating the throat and reducing irritation. This natural remedy is easy to make at home with just 2 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water and add a tablespoon of honey. Stir well until the honey is fully dissolved and your homemade cough syrup is ready to use. It's a safe and effective alternative to over-the-counter cough syrups, especially for minor coughs and colds. Unlike many commercial cough syrups that contain artificial ingredients and preservatives, this natural remedy is free from chemicals and additives, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. Whether you're dealing with a dry cough that keeps you up at night or a sore throat that makes it painful to swallow, lemon and honey can provide soothing relief. The warm liquid helps to relax the throat muscles, while the honey forms a protective barrier, reducing the urge to cough. Additionally, the pleasant taste of this mixture makes it easier to consume even for children. Beyond its effectiveness, the preparation of lemon and honey syrup can be a comforting ritual. The act of slicing a fresh lemon and watching the golden honey drizzle into a cup can be a soothing experience in itself. This simple process not only results in a beneficial remedy, but also provides a moment of calm and mindfulness in your day. Sharing this natural remedy with loved ones can also be a bonding experience. Preparing a warm cup of lemon and honey for a family member or friend shows care and concern, fostering a sense of togetherness and support. In times of illness, these small acts of kindness can make a significant difference in someone's recovery. So, the next time you or someone you care about is battling a cough or sore throat, consider reaching for the lemon and honey. This simple, natural remedy not only offers relief, but also brings a touch of warmth and comfort to your day. Embrace the tradition and let nature's cough syrup work its magic. During cold and flu season, coughs and sore throats seem inevitable. The air turns colder, our bodies become more susceptible to viruses, and soon, the telltale signs of a cold set in. While we can't always avoid getting sick, we can be prepared to fight back with effective remedies. This is where the dynamic duo of lemon and honey comes in. This natural remedy is especially beneficial during cold and flu season when coughs and sore throats are at their peak. Having a jar of this homemade cough syrup on hand can be a lifesaver when you're feeling under the weather. While drugstore shelves are stocked with countless cough syrups, many come with drawbacks. Some contain ingredients that can cause drowsiness, making them unsuitable for use during the day. Others may interact with certain medications or have undesirable side effects like upset stomachs. Furthermore, the effectiveness of some over-the-counter cough syrups is debatable. Many simply mask the symptoms without addressing the underlying cause. And let's not forget the cost. Buying cough syrup every time you or a family member gets a cold can put a dent in your budget. It's no wonder that more and more people are turning to natural alternatives like lemon and honey. Lemon and honey are a powerful combination for soothing coughs. Lemon provides a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants, which support your immune system and help fight off colds. Meanwhile, honey coats the throat, providing a soothing layer that eases irritation and soreness. It also has natural antibacterial properties that can help fend off infections. Together, these two ingredients create a natural and effective remedy for coughs and sore throats. Not only are they easily accessible, but they also come without the side effects of many over-the-counter medications. Plus, their pleasant taste makes them a favorite for both adults and children alike. Honey liquid gold for your throat. Honey has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. Its thick, syrupy texture coats and soothes irritated throat tissues, providing instant relief from pain and scratchiness. Honey also possesses natural antibacterial properties, helping to fight off infections in the throat. Beyond its soothing and antibacterial properties, honey is also a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is especially beneficial for a dry cough, as it helps to moisten the airways and reduce irritation. Raw honey in particular is rich in antioxidants and enzymes that further enhance its healing properties. Try it yourself. A soothing experience. Making your own lemon and honey cough syrup is incredibly easy. Simply mix the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of raw honey in a cup of warm water. Stir well and sip slowly, allowing the soothing mixture to coat your throat. You can enjoy this drink several times a day, especially before bedtime, to ease your cough and promote restful sleep. I encourage you to try this natural remedy the next time you have a cough or sore throat. Experience the soothing relief for yourself and share this ancient wisdom with your loved ones.